So students, now let's begin with the questions. So the first question is what C. Find the value of K for which the system of equation these two has infinite number of solutions. So as I told you, when this kind of question coming, first we'll write the equation in standard form. Means all term we will write on the left hand side and right hand side 0. So 2x plus 3y is there. First we'll shift this 5 on that side. So positive 5 will become negative 5 equal to 0. Then second equation, what 4x plus ky, this is positive 10, other side will become negative 10 is equal to 0. Now we need to compare with the standard form because they're telling what is the value of k if this system of equations has infinite number of solutions. So what is the condition of infinite number of solutions? A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Okay, now we'll just substitute the value. What is a1 a2? So a1 a2 is coefficient of x 2 over 4. What is b1 b2? Coefficient of y, which is 3 over k. And c1 c2 is what? Negative 5 upon negative 10, which is not required by the way. So we can just focus on these two statements. And if we equating these, what we can do now? 2 over 4 is equal to 3 over k. Just do the cross multiplication. So 2k is equal to 12. So k value, how much we will get here? 6. That's all. See now the second question. Check the consistency of pair of linear equation this system. So first equation, what? 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Second equation, if you're writing in standard form, 4x plus 6y minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, what they're asking, check the consistency, means you have to tell whether system is consistent or not. So for that purpose, what we can do, if solution exists, whether it is unique solution or infinite solution, then you can say that this system is the consistent, and if solution does not exist, means system is not consistent. Okay, so now again, if we are comparing with standard form, what is a1 2, b1 3 and c1 negative 5 from the first equation, and second equation a2 4, b2 6 and c2 is what? Negative 10. So we will see now a1 upon a2, which is 2 over 4, which is of course 1 over 2. Then second, what we can check, b1 upon b2, so 3 over 6, which is also 1 over 2. And c1 over c2, so negative 5 over negative 10, which also will give us 1 over 2, right? So very clearly we can see that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. All are equal. Therefore, you can say that it has what? Infinite many solution, right? This is a condition of infinite many solution. That's why it has a infinite many solutions. Infinite many solution means solution exists. So hence you can say given system is consistent. We can say given system is consistent. That's all. I hope this is clear.